Today we're gonna unpack a police Hamtaro and a river rider Hamtaro. So first we're gonna start with the police. First, open this like this, and let's see what we get. So this is the Hamtaro. See, this is the Hamtaro. This is the back. So the Hamtaro is so little. And next we have a little share. This is a Hamtaro share. Hello. And and we got a police scanner. This is like this. It is like this. Last but not least, we got a note for him. This one's little. It's hard to get out. Let's see. We have, look, this little pencil. There's a little pencil. And that's all for the police. Let's put that aside for a minute. So, here it is. There's the golden one. It's right. Just need to get out. Oh no. Push some You're so cute, little Hamtaro. Look, so cute. That's second thing. We have this. So we have the paddles. There you go. So Hamtaro, the paddles, and you have the big boat. And last but not least, a little umbrella, just in case it happens like it rains, so you can pull out a little umbrella. So this is all it looks like. Oh no, nothing else. So everything looks like this cute one. And this is what the police set looks like.